Have you ever tried driving out of your house only to notice you have a flat tire? And the worst part, you are in a hurry. Instead of panicking or waiting for roadside assistance, I'll be showing you how to use a simple portable air pump to get back on the road in minutes. I'll be sharing a link in the description where you can get something similar or even better. I'll be showing you step by steps on how to use this and get your tires sorted. In summary, all portable pumps have three components that will be of interest to you. This is the air gauge. There's a pressure gauge that tells you how much pressure you have on the tire. This thick pipe here will be plugged into the tire, while the electrical cable here will be going into the 12 volts plug outlet in my car. So I'll be taking this out. This is what I use to charge my phone. I'll take this out and put this in here. So make sure it's labeled 12 volts. Here you can see it's labeled 12 volts outlet. I don't know if you can see it from here. So we'll open this and plug this guy right in here. So once we plug this here, we take this towards so you untangle this and make sure it's long enough. So mine is quite long. Then we take it to the tire. All right. So remember I told you this thick one goes into the tire. So I will be needing both hands. So bear with me if it's a bit shaky. All right. So I'll be mounting my camera on the tripod so that I can use my two hands. All right. There's a bit of a trick on using this. So you first push in, then you screw. So there's a screw. This has a screwing part, and this is where you push this in. So I first push in to make good contact. Then, so you hear a bit of a whooshing sound of the air trying to come out. So when you set it well, you notice that the air is no longer popping out. So then we screw. All right. So, yep. So we push and we screw. That's simple. Voila. So it's screwed in. From here, you can see that I have almost zero. There's little to no air in the tire. So a little note before we begin pumping, I need to know how much of air to put in. All right, so every car has a recommended tire pressure. In this car, the pressure is specified here. Sorry, this is washed out, but it's telling me I need around 33 psi. It's not clear, but I need to put in 33 psi. All right, so it means that when I begin to pump, this is 20. Halfway between 20 and 40 is 30. So once I get to 30, I mark off 1, 2, and 3. I stop halfway between 30 and 40. All right, so that's what I need to put into the tires. For some cars, you might need to open the fuel tank. Some cars have the tire pressure written somewhere here, some here, and I think for some very few cars it's somewhere on the seat buckle. But if you can't find it anywhere on the car, try and Google it up to know the exact amount of air you need. All right, so we begin by turning on the ignition of the car. Because I don't trust my car battery, I'll be starting the car. So all right, so I make sure my car is running so that I don't run flat on my batteries. Some cars you need to turn on the ignition. Turn on the ignition to have power here, or you could just start the car if you. All right. So I've started the car. We come back here, and then we hit the on button. All right. So we start pumping. We are currently at 10 psi. All right, so we are good to go. I slightly overinflated my tires. I'll take out some air to just bring it right down to 33 psi. All right, so right now I think I'm about 38. So, and there you go. To take this out, you simply unscrew, keep unscrewing, and we are out. In the next video, we'll be explaining what the values on the tires mean. For example, this car has a 205/65R15. I'll be explaining what this means, even what this means. Every value you see written on the tire has a meaning. Alright? For example, this tire has a lot of value. I'll be showing you what they all mean in the next video. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button to encourage us to keep making quality videos like this. Thank you for watching.